Hi there, this is Judd, and I'm with one of them internet girls I got to come visit me. That's Disney Mama. We're heading out to Crumps, going to check out Crumps here. Brand new place opened up down on the Homosassa River and see if it's any good. It looks good. It looks like a neat place to be, even if the food is horrible or whatever, but say bye, Disney Mama. Out. Out. Okay, we're pulling into Crumps. Almost missed the sign. Well, we did miss the sign. But we're turning in real quick. Okay, now you see. Okay, got parking
now
lot.
I can't mess up.
Yeah, just parking. Oh, they've blocked. Okay, they're working. Okay, whatever they got. Okay, here we go.
Cool.
First view of Crumps. Okay, you see right across the river. That's where I was the other day doing my report. There's McCrae's house over there. And here's the Crumps place. And like I said, this looks more like a South Sea Island resort. Oh, a little playground for kids. That's nice. A big old house. And a big old parking lot. That's a big old parking lot here. Ta-da! Well done. Got an osprey right up there. Look at that, baby. Those claws would rip you apart in an instant. Beautiful. Oh, that's a young one. There we go, okay. There we go, okay, we're doing the Cajun popcorn here. We're sniffing the sauce, sniffing the sauce, sniffing the sauce. What is it? That's a Cajun sauce. Okay, they look enticing, but they look like they'd kill me. They got breading on them, don't they? Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's a no-no for Judd.
I wouldn't like them, they're awful.
I don't believe you. So there's breaded shrimp, basically.
Yeah.
You know what that reminds me of? Fried clams.
Yep.
Which we used to get all the time. That was the big thing up in Boston at Howard Johnson's.
I always like fried clams.
Yeah, those were good. Okay. Alright, there's one of them noisy ass airboats. But there's Monkey Island. There's the monkeys. Oh, there they are. Up on the second floor. Down to the first. There he is. Monkey Island. Disney Mama. And Crumps. Okay, we're out here. They got a little stage out here. Tiki bar stage. And they got a tiki guitar. I've never seen that before. That's cool. Okay. And over here, we got a better one over here. That's cool. Then we're out here on the water and we got this beautiful little patio place here. And look at this stuff. This is cool, man. Cubic zirconium, tons of it. We're rich. We're filthy rich. Anyways, really nice. Those are very comfortable seats too. So great place out here, Crumps. Could have a real good party out here. So I'm taking Disney Mama out here on the Chassaguasa River Salt Marsh Trail. Because the Chassaguasa, yes, very good. Oh, you're good at this. Okay. And you can come narrate my videos from now on. Say, we're driving to Gainesville.
when driving to Gainesville.
Ooh, that's good. Oh, God, you're hired. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to run out here. Oh, lady with dog. Oh, okay. Look at wildlife. Oh, my God. It's one of them wild Floridians with a dog. Ah, yes. Dogs are all about smell, aren't they?
And just a little bit down there,
Oh.
see a little like tangerine tree.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, she doesn't have much time. I want to get out to the overlook.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful tower.
Thank you. All righty. There we go. Okay, we're up in here in the tower. A couple kayakers going by. Lucinda's on her way up. And it's just, we're about a mile off the river here. And this is just some nice big wetland area. Look at that, that's pretty. That's pretty right there. All right. What do you think? Is this pretty or what, huh? Yeah. Okay, this is what I want you to see. Look at that baby, huh? He's hunting. Got a little blue heron down there, looking for something to eat. Tiptoeing through the water, looking for fishies. So that's something for your wildlife calendar, huh? Okay, so Lucinda, Disney Mama, brought me a gift bag. I guess she thought she was going to the Oscars or something. It was only Homosassa. So we got this, and we got this. And look at that, baby. I got cookies. There we go. I got cookies. Look at these. Oh my God. These are like, I can't even believe these are gluten-free. Oh man, look at these. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, they smell good. Oh, they smell good. Oh my God, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 Mickey heads. And she didn't eat them on the way up here, which she said she was sorely tempted to do. So I appreciate her restraint. And a goodie bag full of various other gluten-free stuff, gluten-free treats, and a box, which she told me what's in. And this is funny. These little bobbleheads. Ah, oh my God, look at that one. Oh my God, that's adorable. It's a little ladybug. Oh my God, that's great. Okay, we got a ladybug. What else we got? Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Big turtle. Big turtle. A sunflower turtle. Oh, look at that. Look at that head. Ah, woo. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. That's incredible. Look at the coloring on that. That's fabulous. Oh God, I love that. That's great. What do we got in here? Oh, okay, and here's the same, similar turtle to the one I got. These got better heads though. Whoever did these ones did a better job on the heads. Look at that. They got more bounce in them. Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you very much, Lucinda. Just wonderful, wonderful day. Wonderful seeing you. Had a great time down there at Crump's. Had a good time at Crump's. Good food, good time, good company. Great day, and happy day to you all. I got cookies.